Liv Morgan currently holds the title of Women's World Champion on WWE RAW, but her reign may be challenged by the return of veteran wrestler Becky Lynch during the Red Brand's premiere on Netflix on January 6, 2025. Lynch's recent appearance at a WWE and Netflix media event on December 3 has sparked speculation about her comeback, especially since she has been absent from the ring since May 27, when she lost a match against the Miracle Kid due to Dominic Mysterio's interference. After her last match, Lynch seemingly vanished from WWE, coinciding with the end of her contract in June, leading fans to wonder if she might be retiring. However, her presence at the Vulture Festival, where she hinted at not backing down easily, has reignited hope among her supporters. This potential return could set the stage for an intense showdown with Morgan, who has claimed to have retired Lynch multiple times. Tension between Morgan and Lynch has been further fueled by social media interactions. After a group photograph from the WWE and Netflix event went viral, Morgan playfully altered the image to obscure Lynch's face with a house emoji, hinting at unresolved issues. As rumors swirl about a possible rematch, fans eagerly await updates on whether Lynch will reclaim her spot in the ring and challenge for the championship title.